You'll never inflate balloons the same way again. First, fill the balloon. After filling it, take a plastic hanger and tie the knot as shown in the video. In just seconds, you'll see how easily you can secure the balloon. Many people struggle to quickly and effectively tie balloons, especially when preparing decorations for parties or events. Tying knots in balloons was often complicated, painful for the fingers, and sometimes the knot wasn't firm enough, causing the balloon to deflate or slip away. With this trick, filling and tying balloons becomes a simple and quick task. By filling the balloon and using a plastic hanger as a support to tie the knot, the effort of manually tying it is eliminated. This ensures the balloon is tightly sealed and secure, preventing it from deflating. Additionally, this method is perfect for those who don't have much hand strength or are looking for a more efficient way to handle large numbers of balloons.